Hi everyone. Um, I have just been asked by a few people. Um, a few people have been having a little bit of trouble uploading work to Google Classroom. Now, as I said, whatever way you want to send the work to me, whatever is easier for you is fine. If you want to email it to me, um, that's fine as well. However, obviously, if it was all in the one place on Google Classroom, it does make things a lot easier for me, and it means I can, get back to you nice and quick, and that nothing is, accidentally, lost in different folders and things like that. So what I said I would do is I would quickly just, for those who are still a bit unsure, I'll just show you how to go about doing that. Okay, so I'll just log in as a student here. Okay, so just wait for this to load up. Oh, Mr. McGuire's class. Okay, so I've logged in as a student here. So classwork. So for example, today being Monday, here is today's work list. Okay, and as well as that, I was requested. Sorry, there was a knock on the door there. Apologies for that. So as I was saying, yes, a few people have asked me to put the work up the day before from now on. So I will do that today. So before the end of the day, kind of 2:30, 3, I'll put up tomorrow's work. If that makes it just easier for you. So thank you for that. Thank you for that suggestion. And I will leave that feedback form up. Just if there's anything at all, put it in there. It is anonymous. So if any sort of suggestions, anything I can do to make things easier, to make things more interactive, just let me know. Okay. So as I was saying, so uploading work. So Monday the 18th, so the work list. Okay. So let's click into that. Okay. So view assignment. Okay. So when you click into view assignment, I'll just do that again. So sorry that down here it may distract you. So here's the classwork page. Click Monday work list. Obviously you can click on the page that has the work list and the video that goes along with it. So if you hit view assignment, you'll come to this page. Okay. You can put a class, that's just for general comments as well. Now a class comment is a comment that the whole class will see, and over here private comments, they're the comments that only I can see, no one can see them. Okay, so your work which has been assigned, so you can add or create. I'm going to show you how to do it on the phone as well. So add or create, and if you have done your work and saved it into a folder, for example, okay, if you've done it on Microsoft Word and saved it into a folder, you can hit file and go and find that file and upload it. Or if you want to do it there and then, you could do it in a Google Doc. You can click on your Google Doc if you want to just write up your answer, or if it's a bit of writing and so on. And all you would have to do there is just type it, whatever you want to type. Okay, and you don't have to save it. You don't have, because it saves automatically in a Google Doc. So you can see up here. Okay, it's saved to the drive, and you just X out of it. You don't have to hit share or anything like that, so just X out of it, and it's there. Or if you want to, like I said, add a file and so on, and then if you were to just leave that, it'll be there and it'll be fine. However, I will kind of have to go searching for that. But if you just click turn in, it makes it a lot easier. Okay, turn in. Okay, and then I can see if I go back as a teacher, Mr. McGuire's class, work. This is how I go about finding the work and correcting it. I do get notifications on my email as well. I can go into work list and I can see one has been turned in. Okay, that's mine. Okay, now this is I don't think you've even got it at this stage, so no one would have turned it in. So I can see turned in, Ross McGuire has been turned in. I can click on it and can see there's that gibberish I uploaded. Okay, and if there's other things, that there will be a list of them as well. If I uploaded a few different things, they'd be there too. Okay, now sometimes if you don't actually hit turn in, it will be, I can see it here, so I can go through and see it there. However, it's much easier for me if I see it in turned in. Okay, so I'll go back out again. Okay. Sorry, she's here. Now, again, you can unsubmit it if you want, but hitting submit makes it a lot easier. Okay, and I can, delete it. Okay, so that's how you do it on the laptop. I'll show you on the phone, which would be the same if you're using a tablet or a phone. Okay, now I'll try and turn the light up here. Okay. Okay, so Mr. McGuire's class, I've signed in as a child here as well. Okay, so classwork. So this would be a lot easier as well if you're taking photos. Okay, so Monday 18th of January work list. There's the work list. Okay, the video is here and the document is here. If I just click on the document, I can read it there. Okay, and down here at the bottom, your work. Okay, so just hit that little arrow there. Okay, your work, click on that. And again, add attachment. So if you have a file on your phone, for example, okay, you might have saved it to your phone, that's fine, but this is a great one. Take a photo. So if you had a photo of your work, it's on self here. Now if you had a photo of your work, you could, take a picture of it and it'll go up automatically. Okay, and again, mark as done would be great because you can add various things to it. Okay, now I wouldn't hit mark as done until you've everything uploaded to it. Okay, as well as that. So I hope that has been some help to you. I hope it hasn't been too rambling, but again, remember, whatever way is easier for you, that is the way I want you to send it to me. But this is what makes it a little bit easier for me. Okay, so again, just make sure if you're doing it, view assignment, add or create. So you can do it there and then if you want. Okay, there's even drawings if you want to upload a file and mark as done when it's all done, and private comment just for me, and a class comment if you want to add a public comment. Okay, I hope that helps, and like I said, I will send out tomorrow's work at the end of the day today. Okay, so it gives you a bit more time. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.